Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to your math lesson today. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. Today, all you're going to need for your math lesson is your math textbook and a pencil. Today, I'm going to be introducing our new unit of subtraction. Yay, we're moving so fast, hey boys and girls? All right, let's turn to our first page. Our first page today is page 65. Turn to page 65 in your textbook. And we're just going to begin by looking at this picture. What we're going to focus on is this situation right here. So in this picture here, boys and girls, we have a little girl and she has some balloons. Let's count how many balloons she has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She has 5 balloons. And here is a little boy. Now, what does the little boy have in his hand? A needle. Can anybody guess what they think is going to happen next? So this little girl has 5 balloons and this little boy has a needle. What do you think is going to happen? Let's turn the page and find out. Look, the little girl is crying and the little boy ran away. So let's see, it looks like he popped some balloons, boys and girls. So this little girl's crying and she has 3 balloons left. Who can remember how many balloons she had to begin with? 5. So there are 5 balloons and 2 balloons burst. Now how many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 balloons are left. That was not a very nice thing to do, was it? All right, let's try doing this activity now, kind of on our own. Here, I'm just gonna fix my video. Looks like it was about to fall. Okay, let's read our instructions on page 67. It says, cross out, put an X on the burst balloon, write the numbers. So what we need to do is we need to cross out some balloons and then we're going to see how many are left. I'm going to do this whole page with you today. Okay, so it says 1 burst. How many balloons, boys and girls, do we need to cross out? 1. So take your pencil and cross out 1 balloon. Okay, now let's see how many balloons we have left. We crossed out 1. Now how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So to begin with, we had 5 balloons. We crossed out 1. Now we have 4 left. Let's write a 4 in the square to complete the number sentence. 4 balloons left. Okay, let's move on to the next one. We still have 5 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green balloons. And we need to burst how many? 2. So let's cross out 2 balloons. 1, 2. So I had 5 green balloons and I had to burst 2. How many balloons are left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Let's write a 3 in the box. Okay, now let's look at the red balloons. We still have 5 red balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many do we need to burst? 3. Let's cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. Now how many balloons are left, boys and girls? Let's count. 1, 2. So we had 5 balloons all together. We burst 3, and now we have 2 red balloons left. Can you write a 2 in the box? Good job. All right, let's turn the page. Now on this page, we have a lot of different stories. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different stories. So let's look and talk at about these stories. Let's look at the first story with the bunnies. Let's see, how many bunnies do we have to begin with? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 bunnies all together. Then some bunnies hop away. Look at the bunnies, they're hopping away. So after the bunny has hopped away, boys and girls, how many do we have left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we had 6 bunnies and some hopped away, and we have 4 left. Who can tell me how many bunnies hopped away? 2. You see them here? 1, 2. So we had 6 bunnies, 2 hopped away, and we have 4 left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look at the frogs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frogs. In our next picture, some frogs hopped away and we have 1 froggy left. How many froggies jumped away? 1, 2, 3, 4. We had 5 froggies and 4 hopped away. How many do we have left? 1. All right, let's look at our snake story. Let's see how many snakes we have to begin with. 1, 2, 3, 4 snakes. Then some slithered away. How many snakes do we have left? Or how many snakes, I guess, scurried away? 2. And we have 2 left. So we had 4 snakes, 2 snakes slithered away, and we have 2 snakes left. We have 1, 2, 3 birdies. 2 birdies flew away. How many birdies do we have left? 1 bird. And we have 2 ducks. And there's no ducks left in the pond. How many ducks left the pond? 2. We had 2 ducks in the pond, 2 ducks left, or 2 ducks walked away, and we have no duckies left. Can you think of your own story, boys and girls? Feel free if you want to pause the video and come up with a story all on your own. We have 1 page left to do. So when you're done thinking of your story, turn the page. Okay, on this page it says, cross out, put an X on what the animal eats. Write the numbers. Let's look at the first story. Mouse eats 1 cheese. So let's see how many cheese the mouse had to begin with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the mouse had 5 pieces of cheese, and then it says the mouse eats 1 cheese. Let's cross out 1. And then how many pieces of cheese does he have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to write a 4 in this box, and it says 4 pieces of cheese left. Let's do the next one together. Let's see how many fish the tiger had to begin with. 1, and I'm going to kind of tick them a little bit because I just want to make sure I count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 fish to begin with. Cat, the tiger, eats 4 fish. Let's cross out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I crossed off, he ate 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fish do I have left? Let's count. 1, 2. In this box, I'm going to put a 2. And then my sentence is going to say, 2 fish left. Okay, now let's look at the bunny. How many carrots is there to begin with? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then our sentence says, the bunny eats 3 carrots. We need to cross out some carrots. 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Now how many carrots are left, boys and girls, if he eats 3? 1. Let's put a 1 in the box. 1 carrot left. Okay, we have one more question to do. Let's see how many there will have acorns there was to begin with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 acorns. Squirrel eats 3 acorns. So we need to cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. Now how many acorns are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4 acorns left. Look at this squirrel's belly. He looks so full. All right, boys and girls, that was your math lesson for today and your introduction to subtraction.